Managing subcontractors' schedules can be a nightmare, but with CoConstruct, you can stay organized, streamline your workflow, and save time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use CoConstruct to manage your subcontractors' schedules efficiently. Stick around till the end for an exclusive bonus that'll help you get started with CoConstruct for free. First, let's dive into the heart of scheduling, CoConstruct's scheduling tool. With CoConstruct, you can create clear, detailed schedules that keep every subcontractor on the same page. This tool allows you to add tasks, set deadlines, and even assign specific subcontractors to each task. The best part? You can sync everything in real time, meaning no more missed updates or confusion. Next, CoConstruct makes it easy to communicate directly with your subcontractors. Instead of chasing down emails or voicemails, you can send messages directly through the software and even attach files or notes to specific tasks. This helps ensure that everyone is on the same page with your timeline. Now, let's talk about task dependencies. CoConstruct allows you to link tasks so that subcontractors know exactly what needs to be completed before they start their portion. This feature keeps everything in a logical order and prevents delays because subcontractors can't start without the previous task being done. This makes managing multiple subcontractors much easier and more efficient. The fourth thing CoConstruct does really well is tracking progress. With real-time updates, you can see when a task is completed and get notified if something is delayed. This allows you to act quickly to resolve any issues before they escalate into bigger problems. You can even set up custom notifications based on your preferences. Next, CoConstruct gives you a powerful way to manage budgets in relation to your subcontractor schedules. You can track how much time each task takes and how it's affecting your overall project costs. If you notice that a subcontractor is taking longer than expected, you can intervene early and adjust the schedule or budget accordingly. Now, if you're looking for flexibility, CoConstruct has you covered. You can customize the software to fit your specific project needs. You can change how the schedule looks, which notifications you want, and more. CoConstruct adapts to your workflow, so you don't have to change how you work to use the software. Finally, at the end of your project, CoConstruct provides detailed reports that give you a clear breakdown of your project's progress. These reports are great for analyzing how subcontractors performed, what could have been improved, and where you succeeded. You'll have the data you need to ensure that future projects go even smoother. And here's that exclusive bonus I mentioned. If you use the link below, you can get started with CoConstruct for free and try out all these features yourself with an extended trial. That's right, you'll get full access to the software so you can see how it streamlines managing subcontractor schedules and improves your overall project management. So, to recap, CoConstruct helps you create and manage subcontractor schedules, communicate more effectively, track progress, and stay within budget, all in one easy-to-use platform. Make sure you check out the link in the description below to claim your exclusive free trial and start optimizing your construction project today.